Imagine this: you've been stacking sats, watching your Bitcoin or Ethereum grow, and now you want to use it in the real world. You're at a cafe, the coffee smells incredible, and the bill comes to €5. You pull out your Bitwala card, tap it, and just like that, you've paid with crypto. It's seamless, it's fast, and it feels like the future. But what if you're buying something bigger? A new TV, a plane ticket, or you just need to withdraw a significant amount of cash? That's where transaction limits come in. They're a crucial part of using any financial card, especially one that bridges the gap between traditional finance and cryptocurrency. Understanding these limits isn't just about avoiding a declined transaction, it's about smart money management and making sure your card works for your lifestyle. So, let's dive into the specifics and break down the Bitwala card's transaction limits. First, let's talk about the big one: card payments. When you're using your Bitwala card to pay for goods and services, whether it's online or in a physical store, you have a generous daily limit of €10,000. On top of that, there's a monthly limit of €15,000. These limits are designed to give you a lot of flexibility for your everyday spending and even those larger purchases without hitting a wall. It's important to note that these limits are specifically for card payments, not for transfers or other activities within the app itself. Next up, cash withdrawals. We all need cash sometimes, and the Bitwala card makes it easy to get euros directly from an ATM. For ATM withdrawals, the daily limit is €350. This is a common safety feature across many debit and crypto cards, aimed at preventing large, unauthorized withdrawals. The monthly limit for ATM withdrawals is €3,000, giving you plenty of room to cover your cash needs throughout the month. Keep in mind that ATM fees can apply, so it's always a good idea to check the fee schedule before you withdraw. Finally, let's look at the bigger picture. In addition to the card-specific limits, Bitwala has overall outbound transaction limits. You can make outbound transactions, including card payments and other transfers, up to €10,000 per month. This is a separate limit that encompasses all types of money leaving your account, so it's something to be aware of if you're making a mix of card purchases and other transactions. So, to quickly summarize, for card payments, it's €10,000 per day and €15,000 per month. For ATM withdrawals, it's €350 per day and €3,000 per month. And for all outbound transactions, you're looking at a €10,000 monthly limit. These limits are in place for security and to comply with regulations, but they are also set at a level that should accommodate most users' needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.